friends, welcome to another episode of Smiling Islander. Today we are going to make something really special, another island favorite. I call it shrimp stir fry, aka Sri Lankan shrimp devil. Shrimp devil or the shrimp stir fry is a very cool dish that you can use it with anything. It is a sweet and spicy dish. In Sri Lanka, most of the people, they have it with some fried rice with it. Let's look at the ingredients. We have 5 ounces of shrimp. It's close to 8 shrimp. A little bit of salt to marinate the shrimp. Ketchup or tomato sauce. Sweet and spicy sauce. You can find this sauce in any Chinese market. We have some garlic and ginger paste. I just used some garlic and ginger and I mixed it together. Little bit of onion, little bit of tomato, and these are some Hungarian peppers. You can use usually like bell peppers, or you can use some jalapenos if you want to get the really spicy. And some oil. That's all. Very simple ingredients. We're gonna put some salt, just a little bit, just to bring out the flavors of the shrimp. Give it a mix. The ingredients are ready. The shrimp is marinated. Let's go to the stove and cook it. Let's start cooking, guys. I mentioned this is a quick dish, so it's always better to have high heat. Oil in. The wok is super hot before you add the shrimp in. We are pan frying the shrimp right now, guys. Make sure to get the char marks on the shrimp. Ginger garlic in, tomato ketchup, sweet and spicy sauce. Give it a little mix. Now combine the shrimp, onions in, peppers in. Good mix. Look at the colors, guys. Shrimp devil is almost ready. Once you're done with it, just add the tomatoes. Give it a little mix. Our shrimp devil or shrimp stir fry is ready. Let's plate it. Here we go, guys. Our shrimp stir fry or Sri Lankan shrimp devil is ready.